Hi everyone, it's Fiona Fernandez and I am live doing an unboxing. I'll just go find my video. Just thought I'd come online, my box has arrived, and show you what I've got. So today is pretty exciting. There's a lot of new things happening. I'm just trying to find my details, but they're over there on the desk. And there's new things started today. There's my details. There's new online exclusives. There's a couple of new kits. So it's all happening on the Stampin Up website, which is pretty cool. And we've got some digital badges today, so I've got to post those yet to recognise our achievements. So there's my website if you're interested in some Stampin Up things. So I thought I'd just quickly open my boxes. Not too full, but I've got a lot of things coming up. Some Stampin' Up, some other things. I do all sorts of different handcrafts. And it's a busy time of year, so that's always fun. Let me find my thingo. There it is. Ooh, my logo on there today. Ooh, so here's lots of cushiony air to protect our things. So this one was let me think what this one was. End of a workshop order, I think. So I've got some more envelopes. I always need lots of envelopes because I make my cards and sell them at my stalls. So I've got 2 packets of those. I can hear me talking twice, so I better turn that off over there. Hang on a minute. Oh. I'll find the sound. Well, it's good to have sound. Turn that off. Okay, so that's envelopes, and then I've got some basic white note cards and envelopes. So I got some of those because some people have asked me for a smaller card, not the bigger card that I usually make. So the size I normally make, let me find a card, is that size. Oh, Christmas card. So this one's just a little bit smaller. This is a half an A4. And this one's just that little bit smaller. It's just a nice size. So they come, that's the envelopes there. Can you see the difference there? So that way, it's about that big. Yeah, so I thought I'd grab some of those. Better leave that card out so I make sure I put it on my stall. And then I got some assorted memories and more cards and envelopes because they have 2 sizes of cards with envelopes, which these are great for using with the ephemera packs as well. If you want to make cards easily, just grab some of those. I've got some more shaded spruce because I like to use this for Christmas. The green shaded spruce colour, lovely colour. And what else have we got in here? Oh, some blades for my trimmer. They come in a packet of 4. And then, so we always need to have sharp blades. I sometimes don't replace them quick enough and have to use a nail file. Right, I've got a couple more kits. So these are the festive tags kits. So I am selling the kits on my stalls as well. You can buy them online, or you can I can actually sell them as a cash and carry item, which is great. So that's that one, and it looks like this. So I've got a class coming up in the tram, Sheds at Glebe, on Forest Lodge, and I'm going to be using one of the other kits and a couple of these out of these as well. So if you're interested in that, check out my website in the events section. So I've got 2 of those, they're the same I think, yep. Ready for my class. And what have we got in here? What did I buy? Silver foil sheets, because I like to use a bit of silver and gold on my Christmas cards. Hang on, let's open that. I'm going to open that anyway. I'm waiting for this. There's my silver. Some silver foil. So you get 2 sheets in a packet of the silver foil. And the gold. Alright, that's one little box. And then the other box I got. Let's move that one out of the way. Oh, this one looks big, doesn't it? It's not very heavy. Well, actually, it is a bit heavy, but there's not a lot of it. air in it. I've also got a card in copper coming up in Pyrmont. It's also on my event page. So my event page is on my Fernandez.stampinup.net, and you just click on the tab that says events. I think it's events calendar. Might be calendar. Hang on. Hope if I have the right information, wouldn't it? Let me click on it. I've got the computer on over there. Events. It is events. So if you go to events, it brings up a calendar, and then you can scroll through my calendar and see what I'm doing. Stampin' Up and card making events, and I've got stalls in there because I'm selling Stampin' Up on my stalls. Ah, that's right. I bought a few new chamois, so this is to use in my classes. So these chamois are to clean your stamps with, and they come quite soft like this. If you let them dry, they go very hard, and then you just let them soak in some water again, and it refreshes them and brings them back to soft. So as you'll notice when I'm doing my classes each week, my live, you'll see me use the chamois, and they look like this once you've used them a bit. That's okay, it stains it, but it still works as well. And you just wash it out, rinse it out with water. Occasionally I'll use a little bit of dishwashing liquid, but not very often. And I've actually stamped them with my Busy Bees, because my team's called the Busy Bees, and I've put my name on them, so that if I'm at an event with my chamois, I've got my name on them, and I know they're mine. And there's some new ones for the class. And of course, I've got a few catalogues left, so I've got some new catalogues. So I've got the mini catalogue, and I've got the annual catalogue. So if you're in Australia and you don't have a demonstrator yet, and you would like a catalogue, let me know. I'm happy to send one out. So these are the annual ones, and of course I'll have my name on the back when I send them out. So they look like that, and that's got all the annual things in there. So this runs till the end of April 2025, and then the other one is the mini, which goes up until what have we got, December, end of December. So there's still lots of things in there. And then of course don't forget there's all the online exclusives. So there's fresh online exclusives out today, which is very exciting. I've got some of those things, and I've been making some of my cards from them. Let's get this out of here so you can have a quick browse. So that's the mini catalogue. So the one really good thing, well there's lots of good things, but one thing I really like in the new catalogues is this. They both have a page like this where they've got templates for you, which is really helpful when you're learning to make cards and tags, but it's also great for us that have been doing it for ages. I love it. I love all these, so that's pretty cool. So in the mini, that's on page 16. And in the annual, I think off the top of my head, it's page 20 something. 20 something. There you go, 22. There's a whole lot of templates down there for you. The layout, so you don't have to think about it too hard. You just look at the pictures and then cut some cardstock or stamp something and put them together. So that's me for today with my unboxing, and I've got to get on and do some more stamping, ready for my classes and ready for my stalls. So Sunday the 10th of November I'll be at the tram sheds in Forest Lodge. So I'll catch you all next time. And don't forget I'm do lives on Wednesday nights as well, making cards. So feel free to come and join in with that too. Ciao!